Hey guys, this is Adris here, and in this quick video I'm going to explain JavaScript array method for each, and to explain how actually it works I will also show you how to make your own for each. So to start off, I'm going to go and create an array called names, and in this array we will put some names. I'll put my name and maybe John, and one more, maybe Mary. So now as we have this array, we can do names dot for each, and this for each takes in callback, and if within this callback if we do console log, and if we do hello world for now and save it, and if I run this is going to console log hello world 3 times. The reason it is console logging 3 times because we have 3 values in our array, so it is iterating over each of the value and then doing whatever we want to do here. Okay, so say if I put another one here, maybe rain, sorry, and if I rerun it, this time it's gonna console log 4 times, just because we have 4 names now or 4 values in our array. So I'm gonna remove the last one. The next thing which I want to show you with for each, it takes in 3 things: value, index, and array itself. So these parameter can be anything, they could be x, y, z, but I'm just giving you the exact word. So the value would be the values in an array, the value of the arrays. Okay, so for in this case the values would be these names, so Idris, John, and Mary. Let me just actually put a little bit space here. So index, of course, they will be, for the first one it would be 0, and then 1 and 2, and the array it would be the full array. Okay, so this full array. So let me just show you. If we console log value, if I rerun it, now this is console logging the names just because they are the value of in this names array. Okay, and let me show you the index and array as well. So save, clear, and rerun it, and this time we are getting name and then index, which is 0 for Idris, and then full array, and then John, and then 1 for, because index is 1 for John, and then full array, and same for Mary. So this is it. This is what pretty much for each does. So let me show you how actually it works. So to do this, we are going to create our own for each. So we are going to create a function which would do the exactly the same thing. Okay, so let me just create an array, sorry, a variable. I will name it r for each, and this is going to be a function. So, and this function would take a callback. So I'll just do cb, and within this function we are going to do for loop. Okay, and then we will do let I, and we are going to set it equal to 0, and then we are going to do our condition. So we're going to check as long as I is less than this dot length and I plus plus. And by the way, if you have confusion about how this works in JavaScript, I have another video on my channel. Please check out that one before you keep watching this, because this would if you watch that video before this would benefit you more. Okay, and it would be a lot easier to understand. So back to our loop. So in this loop, what we want to do, basically we want to call our callback. Okay, or execute it. Okay, so as this callback is going to act exactly the same as for each, so this should take in value, index, and array. So to get the value, what we're going to do is this, and then pause. do bracket and do I in it. Okay, and then we will do I and then this. So when we put this for our for each on any array, so that array would become this. So in here it would do whatever the name of array. Say if we put this on names, so it would be names, then bracket and then I, and which means it would get the first value, which is this name Idris. Okay, because first time I is 0, so this is why it would get Idris, and then in the second loop it would get John and then Mary, and again same with index. The first time it would be 0 and then 1 2, and this of course is going to be full array, which is going to be whatever array we are putting this method on. Okay, so the next challenge is to make it available to us, because at the moment we can have, if we do names, we can access for each, but we can't to have the same behavior we have to do array, and we have to put on prototype, and here we can do maybe our for each, and then we can set it to our for each. So with the prototype we are putting our for each on any array. Okay, so it would be available same as for each is available. Okay, so if we do this, and after this if I go down here, and as we have names array, and now we do our for each, and then we pass pretty much anything here, callback. Let me just do exactly the same thing we did with the for each. If we do console log hello, and let me just clear this and rerun it, so it's gonna console log hello 3 times, just because we still have 3 names in our array. Okay, so again test it, put another one, so I'll just say as Han and save it, and we go down here and clear it, rerun it, and now we are getting 4 hellos, and it is acting exactly the same as for each, but we still have to check other 3 things, which are value and index and array. Okay, so let's just say we wanna test, maybe we will pass name only, and clear this, sorry I forgot to pass name here, and save it, and now it is logging names which are values for our array. Okay, so exactly the same thing. Alright, so we will do index, I'll just say index and array, right, and save it, rerun it, and it is acting exactly same the way for each did. Okay, so it is console logging name, index, and then full array. So very simple, very easy. I hope, if I know it is slightly advanced, but if you rewatch it, it would definitely make a sense. It is not something which is not which you can't understand. Okay, so it is very simple actually, if you just rewatch the video, if you have to. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I will see you another video, so please remember to subscribe to my channel, and yep, I'll see you next time. Have a good time. Bye.